Topic is digital electronics. The first question is a gate has the following truth table. So this is the truth table. This is first input, this is second input, and this is the output. We have to tally this both the input and here's the output. So which gate it is? Okay, so if you're having both the inputs one, you're having one. So either it will be an OR gate or an AND gate. Whereas in NOR and NAND gate, you're having a different input if both the inputs are one. Okay, the next one is input is 1 and the other input is 0, and here output is 0. Okay, the third one is input is 0 and the other input is 1, the output is 0. This look like an AND truth table. If AND truth table is there, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so the answer is AND. Okay, where you can see that if both the input time is 1, the output is 1. If any of the input is 0, the output is 0. That means it is an AND gate. Now coming to the second question. The following truth table correspond to the logic gate. Here A is input, B is input, and X is the output. Okay, if both the inputs are 0, it's 0. If any of the input is 1, then the output is 1. Okay, if both the inputs is 1, the output is also 1. So this is not an AND gate, this is not an AND gate, this is not an XOR gate, this is the OR gate. For NAND gate, this is the exact opposite of an AND gate. Whereas for AND, all the inputs should be 1, you will get an output 1. Okay, and for XOR, which is an exclusive OR, is that if all the inputs are equal, then the output is 0. But here, as you can see, for 0 0 it is 0, but for 1 and 1 input, the output is 1. So this is not an exclusive OR. So the answer is OR gate. The truth table for OR gate is for 0 0 it is 0, for 0 1 it is 1, for 1 0 it is 1, for 1 1 it is also 1. Okay, so for truth table for AND gate is like this. For 2 input AND gate, and for OR gate it's like this. Okay. Now coming to the third question, the truth table given below for which gate it is. So here the input A 0 0 1 1 and the input B 0 1 0 0. This C is the output, where we can see that both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. Whereas for exclusive OR gate, if both the inputs are equal, then the output will be 0. So this is not an exclusive OR. If both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. Whereas for OR gate, both the inputs are 0, the output is also 0 here, but it is not an OR gate. So it is not an OR gate. Whereas we can see in AND gate also that in AND gate, if the input both are 0, the output is also 0, and it is not an AND gate also. Whereas in NAND gate, when both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. The truth table for NAND gate is, first we will see truth table of AND gate, and after that we will add NOT gate to it. Zero 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. This is the truth table for AND gate, and when we add inverter to it or NOT gate to it, it will become 1 1 1 0. This final is for the NAND gate, and the symbol for NAND gate is like this, AND gate, and you will have a bubble at the output. So the answer is NAND. Question number 4. The given truth table is like this. When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. You know the concept of inverter. The symbol is like this. Okay, so whatever your input is given here, the output will be opposite. If it is a 0, the output will be 1. If the input is 1, the output will be 0. So for which gate the truth table is like that? It is not for NOR gate, it is not for AND gate, it is not for none of the above, because option C is NOT gate. Question number 5. A truth table is given below to find which gate. First check the 0 0 1. both the zeros, you're having both input are 0, so output is 1. So it is not an OR gate, it is not an AND gate. You're having left with two options, that is exclusive OR and NOR. Whereas in exclusive OR, the truth table is like this. Okay, 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. If the inputs are equal, the output is 0. Okay, if the inputs are equal, the output is 0. So this is the output of the exclusive OR gate, which you can write as OXR. Okay, so here it is not an exclusive OR gate. Now which one is left? NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but the inverter. The output, the inverter is added to the output of OR gate. The output of OR gate is what? 0 1 1 1. If you add inverter to it, it will become 1 0 0 0. As you can see, both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If any of the input is 1 and the 0, the output is 0 0 0. If both the inputs are 1, then it is 0. So the answer is NOR gate. Now coming to the sixth question, the truth table shown, which one is that? If both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. It is not an exclusive OR gate, as you have seen just now. It is not an AND gate, we already know the truth table, and it is not an OR gate also. So the left option is XNOR gate. Okay, whatever the exclusive output is there, we are adding inverter to it. As we know the output of the exclusive OR gate, as you can see here, it's 0 1 1 0. If you add inverter to it, it will become what? 1 0 0 1. So you can compare and see that for both the inputs are 0, the output is 1. If any of the input is 1 and 0, the output is 0 0. Again, both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. So the answer is exclusive NOR gate. Seventh question is Boolean algebra is essentially based on what? Truth table is nothing but the what are the operations are taking place in the gate. Numbers are the normal numbers. Symbol is nothing but the whatever the gate is there, that is the symbol for it. So left of the option is logic. The logic is based on that gate. So the logic is based on the Boolean algebra. Okay, whatever the operation take place should be based on the logic. Question number 8. A logic gate is an electronic circuit which a logic gate is something which will what it will do. If we see the option D, alternates between 0 and 1 value. It is not always alternate between 0 and 1 value. Second one is work binary algebra. Binary algebra is totally different, where you are adding and separating. Option B is allows electronic flow in one direction. It is a diode which allows electrons to flow in one direction. The left option is makes logic decision. Okay, depending upon the gate, you are having the logic decision. For OR gate it is different, for AND gate it is different. So the option is A. Question number 9. The logic behind NOR gate is that it gives high output when both the inputs are low, low output when both the inputs are low, high output when both the inputs are low. Okay, we'll draw a NOR gate truth table. First we'll draw the truth table for OR gate. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. And for NOR, the opposite of this block, one 0 0 0. So the second option is low input when both the inputs are low. Low input when both the inputs are low. But in the option D, what you have seen, in the C row, what you have seen, both the inputs are high, the output is low. So this option is not valid. C is high output when both the inputs are high. High output, that is 1. But the inputs are not high. So this is also not valid. Now option A, high output when both the inputs are low. High output when both the inputs are low. So this option is valid. Okay, so the 9th option is A. 10th one, the output of NAND gate is 0. Okay, the output of NAND gate is 0. So the output of AND gate is what? 0 0 0 1, and the NAND gate it will be 1 0 0. The output will be 1 1 1 0. Okay, so the output of NAND gate is 0 when it will be 0 when both the inputs are 1. Okay, when both the inputs are 1, the output will be 0. So the option is C. If both the inputs are 0, the option is 1. If both the inputs are 0, if an even input is 0 and the other input is 1, then also option is 1. So this is also not valid. Either if both the inputs are 1 or if one of the input is 1 and the other is 0, this is also not valid. So the answer is if both the inputs are 1. Question number 11. A gate in which all the inputs must be low to get a high output is called. A gate in which all the inputs must be low to get an output, which is then opposite. A NAND gate, okay, and some inputs are low. Okay, one input is low, other input is high. No, it doesn't work here. Whereas in AND gate, both the inputs should be equal, that is 1, 1 and high, then only you will get output 1. Whereas in NOR gate, it is different. It is only an inverter. When all the inputs are low, you will get an high output. Which of the following logic gate is a universal gate? The universal gate is something, using that gate you can make different gate, that is nothing but a NOR gate. With the help of NOR gate you can make other gate also, that is why it is called as a universal gate. Which gate is represented by the figure? This is the symbol of a some gate. Now we have to find out. This is nothing but like this, a AND gate. Draw here. Having an inverter to it. You can also draw like this. Okay, so it is an AND gate and a NOT gate, which is nothing but a NAND gate. So the answer is not a NAND gate. It is not an AND gate. It is not even a NOT gate or OR gate. The answer is NAND gate. Question number 14. Given below are symbols for some logic gates, the XOR gate and a NOR gate respectively. First you have to find an XOR gate and then the NOR gate. XOR gate, it is a combination of an exclusive OR and its symbol will be different. The first gate is an AND gate. This symbol is what? Inverter. Oh, sorry. This is NOR gate. This is an OR gate plus a bubble to it. It will be NOR gate. And this one is a symbol for a NOT gate. And for symbol for exclusive OR gate is like this. Okay, so the answer is 2. And for NOR gate you have seen this one, option 3. So the answer is 2 and 3. The first one is NAND gate, the fourth one is inverter, NOT gate. Given below are 4 logic gates, symbol, figure. Those for OR, NOR, NAND. Okay, so the first one is an OR gate here. The second one is an AND gate. This D types for AND gate, and this is option is for NOR gate, and this is for NAND gate. So which what you have to find? First one is OR, that is option 1. Second is NOR, that is option 3, and the third one is NAND, that is option 4. The answer is 1, 3, 4. The combination of NAND gates shown under the are equivalent to what? This is the option. Okay, this is a NAND gate. This all three are NAND gate. So this both inputs are short here. So this you can write as A bar, and this one you can write as B bar. Okay, as both the inputs are shortened here and you have a bubble here, so that is why it is called as an A bar. Same goes with this one, which is B bar, and you can write like A bar, as this is a AND. You can write dot B bar, and it's having bubble here, it will be overall like this. So you can write it, you have to expand this one, it will be A bar bar plus B bar bar, which is equal to A plus B. So it is an OR gate, okay, either an OR gate or a AND gate respectively. Question number 17. For the given combination of the gates, if the logic state of input ABC are as equal as ABC equal to 0 and AB is equal to 1, C is equal to 0, you are having two cases here. Okay. In the previous question 16, what you have seen that first one is the OR gate and the next one is this one. Okay, you are having first this one. This is nothing but an AND gate. You can write like this: A plus B, A dot B bar. Okay, after that what you are having, it is followed by an inverter to it. Okay, so you will have, if you open this one, what it will become? A plus B, here a bar, here bar, and you are adding one more bar to it. So what it will become? A bar bar dot B bar bar. It is nothing but A dot B. It is nothing but an AND gate, and the first one is an OR gate. So here is the option A, which is an OR gate and an AND gate respectively.